Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just Messenger no internet connection on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings, just open Wi-Fi. Just try to turn it off and turn on again, and if it doesn't help you, just open mobile data or cellular data. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In the search tab, just write here Messenger, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Messenger. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.